Is there anything more fun than a screaming two-stroke on the dirt track? The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that lightweight, high-revving fun is still alive and well. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're checking out the latest version of Yamaha's legendary 125 cubic centimeters motocrosser. Design. The YZ125 keeps that iconic look: slim, aggressive plastics, bold Yamaha graphics, and a race-ready stance. For 2026, Yamaha's made subtle updates, like a revised seat shape and improved ergonomics that help with control and rider movement. It's a sharp-looking bike built with serious attention to detail and quality throughout. The frame and swing arm combo keep things light and balanced with the proven YZ toughness. Performance. This is where the YZ125 shines. The liquid-cooled 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine screams to 11,000 revolutions per minute and rewards precise throttle control. It's not about brute force, it's about momentum, finesse, and timing. Lightweight and nimble, this bike is a blast in the corners and handles like it's reading your mind. Perfect for younger racers or seasoned riders who just want to rip. Features and technology. You won't find ride modes or electronics here, but that's the charm. What you do get is a modern KYB suspension setup, dialed in front and rear for out-of-the-box confidence. The updated air intake and exhaust system boost mid-range power and response, making the 2026 model feel even more lively than before. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 keeps the two-stroke spirit alive with lightweight agility and pure riding joy. It's fast, fun, and as engaging as ever. Would you race one or keep it as your weekend weapon? Tell us in the comments, hit like if you love two-strokes, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more bike content every week.